Hey guys, welcome to my very first video and my channel. My name is Delaney Bowers. If you don't know me already, thanks for being here. Okay, so you obviously saw the title of this video and the thumbnail, and a lot of people that are going to be watching this probably have seen my video that I posted on Facebook about a week ago, just questioning people on what their favorite cleaning products are. And the reason for that is I came across a few studies while researching the most safe and the most natural things to use in your household, considering Devin and I are expecting. We do want to do everything more naturally and just trying to make sure that we have a really safe environment. So yeah, while I was researching, I found out a few crazy things and I just thought that everybody else should know. So yeah, I will be linking the articles in the studies that I found, as well as a few recipes for a natural duplicate that you can use. I'm just gonna jump right in. I did post on Facebook just asking my friends and followers to comment their favorite cleaning products that they use, their favorite brands, etc., etc. And I did get two very interesting comments. The first one was Mrs. Myers. The second one was Method. And instantly, I was extremely interested in researching these products and seeing if they were entirely natural and if I could start using them in my home. So basically, the first thing that I found with Mrs. Myers was that on their website, they have it listed that they are only 97% plant derived. Which, I mean, it is better than using your average cleaning product because it is a bit more natural. But for me personally, I was looking towards making a lifestyle change from using products drowned in chemicals and synthetic products, entirely switching to completely natural products. So if that is something that you're okay with, that 3%, yes, you aren't exposing yourself or your children or your animals to entirely chemically based products, and they are a little bit better for you, but then again, there are still some synthetic compounds within that. And then the second one that I found was called Method, and the very first thing that I noticed is that they listed fragrance as one of their ingredients, which is kind of a huge problem because as I was doing research previously to even looking up these brands, I found out that commercial cleaning products do not have to tell you every single ingredient that they're using, especially when it comes to fragrance. So they can just list fragrance as an ingredient and not tell you any of the compounds that make up that specific fragrance for that specific product, which is pretty crazy if you ask me. They definitely don't have to list that. And they also, another thing that I found out is that they do not have to study the effects on their ingredients on people's health. So they could literally be putting things that are so toxic and so damaging to your health in their products, and they don't even have to tell you about it. They don't even have to notify you that, hey, this could kill you in a matter of 20 years if you use it daily. Alright guys, toxic chemicals affect 99% of the US population, and 34.7% of people are reporting these health problems because of this exposure. Respiratory difficulties, neurological problems, asthma attacks, dizziness, and migraine headaches. Not only do they cause those problems, but the combination of those chemicals used can be carcinogenic if inhaled or worn close to the skin, which happens all the time. So with that being said, I do want to let you guys know that indoor pollution is proven to be 2 to 5, sometimes even 20 times higher than the pollution outside, which could be due to using these products, but I'm not saying anything. Poor indoor air quality is ranked in the top 5 environmental risks to public health. Those two things are according to the Environmental Protection Agency. And surprisingly, only 5 out of every 10 Americans are aware of this fact. Okay, now that all the doom and gloom is over, we are going to be making some new cleaning products. I'm really excited. Stay tuned. I'm probably just gonna record myself making them and then just like voice over. But I don't know yet. We'll see.